Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So HAL has finally given the detailed advertisement for the recruitment of design engineers and management trainee. Okay, this is the advertisement, and I will post this advertisement in the description below also. But let's discuss what is the selection procedure, what are the vacancies, and all other things in detail. Okay, design trainee. So design trainee, the total number of vacancies are 60, and management trainee, the total number of vacancies are 40. Okay. फर्स्टली आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट इसका जो प्रोसेस है बहुत तेज़ होने वाला है. मैं लास्ट पेज पे दिखाऊंगा जो डेट्स दी हैं टेंटेटिव, दे आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज. सो आई मीन इफ़ यू आर फिलिंग दिस फॉर्म बाय द लास्ट डेट दैट इज़ 5th April, तो टेंटेटिव डेट फॉर द टेस्ट इज़ 25th April, एंड देन कुछ दिनों बाद इंटरव्यू है, एंड देन दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग you know that you join by 21st June. तो जो भी ये डेट्स की टाइमलाइन है we'll discuss it, but let's see which branches are eligible. So these disciplines are eligible: aeronautical, electrical, electronics and mechanical for design trainee, and electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer science, metallurgy for management trainee. Okay, the number of vacancies for design trainee are 60, for management trainee they are 40. Okay, let's move ahead. So for design trainee, if your branch is aeronautical, then you require 60%. 60%. See, 60% for aeronautical branch. Other branches you require 65% in your BTech. Okay, and same for management trainee. All the other branches require 65%. Okay, and in this table, the combination of all the branches is given. You can see that. For design trainee, electrical, that means electrical and electronics is eligible. Electrical and instrumentation is also eligible. Sorry. So for electronics, this is the combination. For mechanical, this is the combination. So you can see this combination in the advertisement. Okay. They have also written that candidates currently in the final year or semester may also apply, provided candidates have secured the prescribed aggregate percentage. अभी ऐसा है कि कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ व्हाट दे डू इज़ दे गिव मोर वेटेज टू द लास्ट सेमेस्टर्स. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सारे सेमेस्टर्स का एग्रीगेट लेके ये परसेंटेज तुम्हारे बनने चाहिए. दैट मीन्स 65% इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम दीज ब्रांचेस. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम एरोनॉटिकल इट शुड बी 60%. लेट्स मूव अहेड. Upper age limit is 28 years, and for other categories it is relaxable as per norms. Okay, जिनके पास डिप्लोमा और डिग्री है वो डिग्री के मार्क्स भरेंगे क्वालिफाइंग एग्जाम में. Application fee is 500, and prior to filling the application you have to deposit the application fee in this account. Okay, the details are given here. तो पहले फीस भरनी है, देन अप्लाई करना है, बिकॉज इसकी कुछ डिटेल्स एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में यूज होंगी. लेट्स मूव हेड. Selection procedure is I mean it will comprise of an online test and an interview. Online test 2.5 घंटे का है, 2.5 hours. It's written here. Yeah, the test will be of 2.5 hours, and it will be divided into 3 parts. तो पहला part 1 will consist of 20 MCQs on general awareness. Part 2 will consist of 40 MCQs on English and reasoning, and part 3 will consist of 100 MCQs on the concerned discipline. Okay, and then uske baad interview hoga. 85% weightage will be given to the written test, 15% weightage will be given to the interview. Okay, so if you get selected, there will be a service bond. This you can read here. Placements and emoluments अच्छे हैं. Training के time पे you will get 40,000 in hand, and after that you will be paid in the range of, in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Yeah, it's written here. Okay, and of course you will get that HRA, DA and all other benefits. So yes, see, there is an important information here that you are required to apply for either the post of design trainee or management trainee, and not for both. Applying for both will lead to rejection. तो एक ही में अप्लाई करना है, या तो डिजाइन ट्रेनी में अप्लाई करना है या मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी में अप्लाई करना है. इज इट फाइन? Let's move ahead. So this is a timeline which they have given. See, डाउनलोड ऑफ एडमिट कार्ड इज 15th अप्रैल. लास्ट डेट फॉर फिलिंग द फॉर्म इज 5th अप्रैल. तो लास्ट डेट तक नहीं जाना है, आज ही अप्लाई कर दो. डाउनलोड ऑफ एडमिट कार्ड इज 15th अप्रैल. ऑनलाइन सिलेक्शन टेस्ट इज 25th अप्रैल. एंड द रिजल्ट्स विल बी डिक्लेयर्ड आफ्टर 2 days ओनली, 27th अप्रैल. देन इंटरव्यू की जो डेट है वो है 17th मई से 19th में. एंड I think yes, the results will be declared on 21st May, again after 2 days, and the expected joining is by 21st June. तो 2 महीने में सारा प्रोसेस खत्म हो जाएगा. So it's a very nice opportunity, and these were the important things that I wanted to discuss in this advertisement. तो आज ही apply करो. I'll post the this recruitment in the description below. All the best.